Number 64. A 5-pound monkey is attached to a 20-feet hanging rope that weighs 0.30 pounds per feet. The monkey climbs the rope up to the top. How much work has it done? A. 80 feet per pound. B. 120 feet per pound. C. 160 feet per pound. Or D. 200 feet per pound. So first we will get the work of the monkey. So with our force of 5 pounds times the distance 20, we get 100 feet per pound. Then next is the work of the rope total. 0.30 times 20 feet equals 6 feet. Then the average distance of 20 divided by 2 equals 10 feet. Then we get the work of the rope. Work rope total times the average distance, which is 6 times 10 equals 60 feet per pound. So the total work done is equals to work of the monkey plus the work of the rope, which is 100 feet per pound plus 60 feet per pound equals 160 feet per pound. So the answer is letter C. Number 60. What is the integral of 3 over x times x plus 3 dx? A. 3 ln x times x plus 3 plus c. B. 1/3 ln x over x plus 3 plus ln c. C. ln xc over x plus 3. Or letter D. ln times x over x plus 3 plus c. So the answer is letter D. Number 61. What is the area bounded by the curve y equals 8 minus x cubed, x equals to 0 and y is equal to 0? A. 15 square units. B. 13. C. 12. Or D. 10 square units. So 8 minus x is equals to 0. Then we will use x. 2 is equals to x equals to 2. So area to the upper limit of 2 and lower limit of 0, 8 minus x cubed, then dx is equals to 8x minus x to the power of 4 over 4, then upper limit of 2 and lower limit of 0. Then x minus 16 minus 16 over 4, then 16 minus 4 is equals to 12. So answer is letter C, 12 square units. Number 63. What is the integral of upper limit 8 and a lower limit 3, 60 to the power of 5 plus 5t to the power of 4 minus 40 to the power of 3 minus 3t squared plus 2t minus 1 dt? The answer is letter A, 74. Number 69. A spring with a natural length of 10 cm is stretched by 0.50 cm by 12 Newton force. Find the work done in stretching the spring from 10 cm to 18 cm. So first, we will convert 0.50 cm to meters, then get the value of K, which is 12 Newton divided by 0.05 equals 2,400 Newton per meter. Then we will use the formula for work, which is 1/2 times K times final minus initial distance. So substitute the value 1/2 times 2,400 times 0.08 squared minus 0 squared is equals to 7.68 joules. So the answer is letter B.